Hi everybody, this is Urban Sweetheart Teresa coming at you with a video that I thought I was recording. Yes, I have been looking at cameras. I haven't ordered one yet. I'm not getting a camera. I'm still going to be using a webcam. This one's just old. I had it for like 5 years. Time not great. So anyway, I had a wig. I was explaining that I had it for about a week or so. Forgot where I got it from. So I took it out the bag. It was curlyme.com, Curl Me Hair Collection. It had this netting and stuff on it. We're not even gonna play. Not even trying to put nothing back in the bag. It's a 20-inch. It's a curly unit. Kinky Curly. Kinky Curly. Just in case y'all want to know. I'm like, I need to know. Alright, you about to know. Alright. Yeah, just in case I gotta film this again. I can't just throw the box away. Alright, this was in that bag. Nicely sealed. It has a slight chemical smell. Don't stank like another so-called companies. And yes, I pay for this myself, so I don't even think I'm doing a advertising. But it does have a chemical smell, so I assume what that other company said about curly units with the processing, you're gonna get a smell. I still don't understand. People be taking these junks out the box, putting them on, installing them, and going about their life. I don't care how much perfume you put on. Nah, I'm gonna wash it. Because you're gonna smell it through that perfume. I don't care. I don't care. Alright, so no combs in the back. Big head friendly, definitely. No combs in the front. You got this bungee cord. And no straps in the back. This is what the cap looks like. And you can tighten this. I'm not, when I had it on the first time, it was roomy and loose. That's good for me. Real roomy. Ugh. Not much lace. I don't know if y'all seen that. It's like maybe a 4x6, something like that. But as you can see, I have done nothing, and this junk looks good. Like maybe just a tap of some powder or something, and it will be my skin color. So I'm loving that. Remember that lace does not go to the end. Now, I ain't got no hair, so you know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put some gel or something to hold that. It installs itself and go about my life. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. When catch it, just catch it. Alright, so when I wash it, condition it, and then get it to clump together. I was going to get the 26-inch, but my coins wasn't flowing like that. I was like, girls, you crazy. Anyway, very big head friendly. I like the length I got. When I get it popping, you know I'm be lifting it and getting it all big and Shaka Khan-ish. I want to wear this to Janet Jackson concert. If I go, people be lying about they gonna get you tickets. They be lying. I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna take you. And then you sitting there. Should have just took myself. Oh well, I digress. Look at my boyfriend. Say hi, everybody. Hey, baby. Alright, let's see what it's looking like. And don't worry about my little appliances on the floor. I was doing some cleaning. Alrighty. And I got a fan shoe. I ain't trying to turn the air conditioner on. Fan with the window, the door open. That's good enough. Good enough. And I got my bat. I will knock yo behind that. Try me. Anyway, yep. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Woo. Beautiful. That's giving right there. That's giving. That's pre-plucked lusciousness. Yes, I like it. Alright, folks, that was short and sweet and to the point. Alright. Oh yeah. Got some lashes. One of these tie down things. Cap. And a stand. And a card. I'm quite sure it's going to tell you to wash this bad boy for you. try to do anything, get that chemical smell out. Go on, girl. Okay. I paid probably $2 something for this unit with the coupon code. Try to put everything below in the description box. I'm gonna have to go search and see what I got, you know, what exact unit I got. No, I ain't got no code, so just click on somebody else's thing and find the code and use it like I did. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye, y'all.